The National Criminal Justice Reference Service database is a great reference for anybody looking for information about criminal justice and the related topics to this subject. It is especially useful for students and professionals who are involved in the criminal justice field and are looking to access links, publications, abstracts, spotlights, questions and answers regarding any particular topic that is related to this field. This database is federally funded by the Office of Justice Programs and other affiliated organizations, and the links to these organizations can be found at the upper right-hand side of the website. To find out more about this database, you can click on the About NCJRS tab in the navigation menu. There you can find the different ways to search the database and also browse to find relevant topics to the subject. One of the ways to browse the site is to click the Search Questions and Answers tab in order to view some of the commonly asked questions related to the subject. You can also view questions and answers based on a topic, which is very helpful to get the lay of the land and figure out which topics are of interest to you. And for questions that have not been addressed yet, you can ask your own question by using the Email Us Your Questions link. Another great way to browse the site is by clicking on the left-hand side where it says Browse by Topics. You can click on the A to Z topics to see an alphabetical list of all the subjects covered within this database, or also click on any of the major topics to expand and see the different subtopics that are related to that subject. You can also order publications that are not available to view online by choosing the Order Photocopy button. This will add it to your cart and then you can check out at a later time. You can also order publications to be delivered to your local library by clicking on the Find in the Library link. The OJP publications are also a great way to browse the database. You can sort by alphabetical list, publication date, date added to the site, and the organization of the listings will generally be based on the title of the publications. The Library tab is a great place to go when you're looking for a more in-depth search. Within the Abstracts database search, you can search by a particular field. To look for an article you have previously found or something that was recommended to you, you can type in the NCJ number, which is a unique identification code. By clicking on the abstracts, you can see all the different fields that make up each record. You can also do the source term search. This is helpful for when you know of a term, but would like to expand your vocabulary and see other terms that are related to the subject. After searching a term, you can select all the other applicable terms that you would like to search as well. The Library tab also has lists of links that can lead to other websites and other resources that could be helpful while doing your search. The other two tabs are Grants and Funding, which can provide valuable resources for funding opportunities, and to learn about the process of federal government funding. There's also Justice Events, which could be useful for anybody looking to participate or help out in their local community. To do a basic search, you can use the search bar at the top of each page of the site. You can use controlled vocabulary in terms you already know to get assimilated with the topic you want to address. You can do a more advanced search within the database by clicking the Advanced Search link. There you can select the type of content you would like your search to bring about. This is extremely helpful for when doing a search for full-text publications or certain links that you would like to find. Now you can select a search type. The Boolean search term all would have to have all the keywords searched within the content in order to display those records. The Boolean any is all-inclusive and would bring about any record that has any of the search that were listed. The phrase search type is the most limiting and would only show records that have the exact phrase that was searched. Within your search results, you will find that you have a varied amount of result content types. You can see the amount of each type of content on the right-hand side and choose to display only that type of content if that is what you're looking for. There can be links below your findings that will either lead to a HTML site or a PDF of the document. Some of the records that will display in your search results will only be abstracts of the document, but you can order the document or ask for it to be shipped to your local library, as discussed previously. Thanks for following along to learn about the National Criminal Justice Reference Service database. I hope that you will be able to find the results that you are searching for.